So today we're going to look at the Amazon Echo Plus, which is, of course, an Amazon speaker with Madam A and an integrated Zigbee bridge. So what's kind of cool about this is you don't actually need to use a Hue bridge or Nanoleaf or IKEA or something like that for your Zigbee connectivity. You can use the Echo Plus directly. Today we're going to pair a Philips Hue light bulb, white light bulb, with the Amazon Echo Plus and see how that goes. So here we are again. Today we're going to add a Philips Hue light bulb. So we'll check the instructions here, the little question mark in the top right corner. So to add a Philips Hue, click the Discover Device button below and then power on your light. If you're still having trouble, reset your light as follows. So we've got some factory reset there. And of course we can click on the Reset Philips Hue and it'll give us even more information. So if you need to do that to get your Philips Hue light bulbs, if you've already used them and paired them to another Zigbee bridge or to the Philips Hue bridge itself, you can use this to factory reset them. So I am not going to have to factory reset because I, of course, have a brand new bulb in the box. So now we're going to go over, we've got the Philips Hue bulb in the box here. So this actually came with my Echo Plus. I'm going to open this up. There's not much special about this. This is a light bulb, that's all it is. This is not a color bulb, this is just a generic Philips Hue light bulb. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the Add Device button here, and it's going to discover. Screw that in, you can see the blue light flashing, and in theory this should just discover itself. So it does appear that we were not able to find this Philips bulb. So I'm going to turn it off and turn it back on again. And we'll say Add Device. We will turn it on. So you saw that flash, that happened just as the bulb came on. That indicates to me that this has successfully paired. So we're going to get to the end of this and see what it looks like. I have to wait for the discovery process to finish. Found a device called Second Light. Okay, so we're going to go and find in the S's. There we go. Second Light. Waiting for Philips. So that's a Philips light. Okay, cool. Now we can turn it on. You turn it down. Set it to 100%. Turn it off. Turn it back on. If we want to, we can go into the edit settings here. Color capabilities. We can see we've got no color capabilities. This is just a light on or off. Second light. And of course, we can edit the name. Awesome. Enter. Philips Hue. Go back into here. And at this point, of course, we can always go in and add this to the groups. Alexa appears to not have the ability to do scenes yet, as far as creating your own scenes. So you're going to have to rely on still some other apps, but she is getting better as far as a smart home hub. And I expect with the Echo Plus, with the built-in integrated Zigbee hub, we've already seen the ability to adjust color in the bulbs get added to the app. This is going to get better over time. And if Amazon's history is any indication, it's going to get better quickly. There's going to be constant improvements to the app and to the system. So I expect 2018 to be by the end of the year to be a very, very interesting app. And that brings us to the end. So if you guys have any questions, comments, requests, please let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear them, love to answer them. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. And if you're interested in more Alexa videos, I'm starting to get into this now, please let me know. I'd love to hear your comments back and help me guide the direction of the reviews I put out. Thanks.